Emathini amahle nayi muluku bafethu phansi isigodi ngasekaloyi ngasekhrizane bafethu yazisha khona upolo ngale uthengisa utshwala bakhona bajida lapha eScotch ziyasha bafethu eniyibhekane if i-stradless sakho lesi shaya i-leg bathini lapha niyazibona siphansi le-Daveyton Hustling Magazine 1520 TV phansi i-Daveyton danko.
We going overseas cause I'm a border. Now we are born and peace upon the border. Seba khona overseas bafaka umoya ingakungithi kokumoya breathe kokumoya
Kokomo, Imaliko, now we overseas with some animals. Icon, Lippy dollar spend them all. Now we cherry back on. Now we on fleek with some nice things. No party pooper in the main sheen. Where we diamond rings. Ha, pepper Kokomo, breathe.
Ayibophela wehla umoya sidle carry on masentinga more berries only pills only ngama cold drinks till the morning we don't compete we just complete conflicts that they can't fix shot 6 on a man's head and some couple of heavy kick
we don't compete if you on a 8 jambo hlala king tell uphume king it's a piece of paper vibing that shit loving that combo loving that shit
Decided to kill some vocals on this. Focus on me when they get up the please. I don't need haters. I want some bangers, some money and love all over me.
Hey, but don't forget we going overseas. Haters step aside, we bang this shit. Some love and cherish, baby I'm coming. When I get home I want you on top of me.
Kokumoya, 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 breathe. Kokumoya, 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 breathe. Kokumoya, we going overseas cause I'm a border. Now we are born and peace upon the order. Seba khona overseas bafaka umoya ingakungithi kokumoya breathe kokumoya we going overseas cause I'm a border. Now we are born and peace upon the order. Seba khona overseas bafaka umoya ingakungithi kokumoya breathe.
Bafowethu Hustling Magazine 1520 bheka-ke sangena efondolo sangena eFukwezi sangena eKaSlamavangithenga yokule problem ile welcoming community le yabo ayikho green bafowethu asikunokuhlala la sihlala siphila khona ukuthi yonke le bafowethu kunirabishi nenikela abantwana bethu sinabantwana and mawuthi uyabheka nangapha bheka kunjani le phambili lapha ground ngithola so you can't be littering around bafowethu besithanda ngakhona this is really wrong but you forget about everything nazo kilazisha khona lapha eKaSlamavangithenga labo umonini babuya khona labo lithuso babuya khona labo uGufu babuya khona labo Costa babuya khona labo X-Man baningi o-X-Line kambili bakhe sakungababala nje bayi 10,000 abo X-Line kambili abothi umurathe bala usigwegwe ula la khabo umgiftana la kulapho kuhlala unhlanhla bafethu kesilethile labo ila kumnandi khona yabona le wenzani Mohama Street ushona khona street kaMzumba futhi movela ngapha ngasesigodi angithola uvela lapho uhamba street yabo uvelele kaMzumba lana usisi ali uthengisa amagwinya bafethu angithola everyday ekseni manethu Sunday bafethu amagwinya atholakala la nekasi ayikho into engekho lana khona la sekhona isnake bafethu yabo la kafikile lana khona ilentuzane khona i-restaurant bafethu amakhotha stuff ile ke kaSlete bafethu salibona limi kanjani ekseni bafethu kaMzumba kule angihope nasibonela kusemakulini bafethu sashika sizobhekana kuphi sobhekana naka Crystal yangithola ile le kaSelintini mfanda kwakumini moja dlading yabo okhuphukela phezulu sabathe le bafethu kaSlihleve kaSlizinja ke bafethu ekuse Hustling Magazine 1520 danko
Yeah, well. Yeah, well. Kumba, 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 kumba. Yeah, well. Kumba, kumba, kumba.
Lava for the government.
Kumba, 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 kumba. Yeah, well. Kumba, kumba, kumba. Yeah, well. Kumba,
Mlungu, thank you Mlungu. Dana kakusta bafiti. Ililekele taklika bafiti. Dana kamiki ke bafiti. Ebona into engafuneki bafiti. Ugovernment singasala hleli izinto bafiti. Akanamali ukubhatala abantu. So iwashini isezohlala bafiti izinto lapho. Sanibona ukuthi. Thank you. Next bafo. Bafo. I'm just taking a video bafo. Just to make some promo video. Next bafo. Isa na singini ko mtu moko. Akana kubonga ngela le bangela la mali. Excuse. Bafo. Ay bafo. Ngawari bafo. Ase. Thank you ase.
Funa mapita, funa makumba. Sonke, funa makumba.
Ay bafo.
Yeah, well.
Kuti bafo.
Kumba, 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 kumba. Yeah, well.
Kosi emakunyeni.
Yeah, well. Kumba, kumba, kumba.
Ngidikasile ke bafiti. Ngelo ngakhona. Angithola. Ngumila. Ethi bafiti government ushe i-statement ngasikudala yabo. Wathi unenkinga ekubhadala abantu bama-dustbin. So akusafuneki ukuthi sikhipheni ama-dustbin ngama-waste until further notice. Sanicela bafiti. Sanicela abantu masekhizana. Sicela singasalahleni, sicela singasekhipheni ama-dustbin. Kasilihle ifake, kahle kaGoofy. Sky, Lisa. Yayibona ke nje kaGoofy. Yayibona ke. Hello baby. Hello push push. Yayibona ke nje kaGoofy. Iyo leyo bafiti. Thank you.
Boliviana, manto,
Eh?
Dot, ngezwabo. Sisihamba kuma-top 2. Ama-top 7. Bathi bizulolo, ezenololo. Shiyabona. Bathini bona? Siyarecord. Yawazi. Sirazi.
Ngiyarekhoda emafeshini awube lapho.
Top 7.
Uzile